Hi, welcome to my cutie hub. I'm your lovely. Are you facing
Welcome
difficulty
to
in
my
English? So let's get started. Welcome to my channel.
cutie hub. Subscribe to my channel. Click bell icon for gift shop walks.
Welcome to my cutie hub. I'm your lovely, and I'm going to discuss here about English spoken classes. So, how many are excited? So, let's get started. Access is an innovative approach of in learning new English language learning. Communication course for um, fresh and contemporary approach of learning. So this English access, if you want to know, then it is embedded in the course of the universal values of social justice and truth with focus on the inherent diversity of India. Global themes are irrelevant or relevant to our students. English Access is designed for higher level reduce the curriculum load while providing a high quality stimulating learning experience that is joyful and creative and participative. So this is the way we learn or we educate through English Access. So I hope everyone are interested about listening or knowing about the English Access. Hope you like it. So stay tuned till the end. And I'm your lovely, and let's get started into our present today's session. Here are the few features of Educate in English Access in Oxford studies. So, like this. One of the Oxford studies shows that glossary poems are need to be animated to showcase the skills to the person easy way of approaching and the increasing of critical thinking and analytical ability skills and much more. Of poem is really a good approach through digitization. I'm really happy to discuss about this in my channel in upcoming videos with you all. Hope you like it. Exercises based on the content from the text and paragraph and passage writing and much more. And with the help of these grammatical English, we learn most of the difficult words or difficult sentences. It can be helpful for you to guide and motivate for best studies through Oxford education. For prose, poems, grammar, or glossary, listening, exercises, and pronunciation. Here are the lesson plans for each unit can be dictated for you to understand. Answer sheet for each unit and worksheets for practice. Has classroom assignments. Slideshows of dynamic explanation of key topics. References sheets contains images and additional information. So this Oxford Education is a digital resource which can help many teachers from to create their own ebooks and digitalization through audio and video clips. And I hope you like this session and thank you. Stay tuned till the end. Let's get started with the pronunciation skill. Pronunciations like word series. After that, we'll discuss about spellings like prefix and postfix. After that, language study, items and phrases related to language study. We deal with here spellings like suffix too. Dictionary skills, a part of dictionary entry. This improves your dictionary skills well. With the help of this dictionary, skills, you can cope up with your words and new words. You can frame your own sentences in understandable way, and it improves your conversation better from day to day lifestyle. So this the approach you can get by this dictionary series. Speech, public speaking. How many are interested? So these speech are nowadays it's booming in our digitalization world. So the way we need to speech and how and what and how to reach as many as people we through our public speaking skills and what not. After that, we discuss about descriptive writing. Descriptive writing is a part of writing a script or a content or any other important content you can do as a blog too. Here, I'll discuss many more interesting topics soon with this. So click subscribe button for latest updates. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much.